Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I got some little things from Ipsy's flash sale. I never remember which sale is which, but Cece from Cece's Trial Size Life reminded me that it's the flash sale. So it's just a little bag. And I got a few things. I spent $15, and then you pay $1.99 for the handling. So I got three separate choices, three separate things. So the first thing that I got is from Laura Geller, and this is the packaging, and it looks like a lippy, but it's not quite a lippy. It is a prep stick lip scrub. So I've seen this a lot and have wanted to try it, and it's quite, let me see, I wrote it down what it's $21 full price, and this is the full size. So this was $5, and it's beautiful. Their packaging is beautiful. Prep stick lip scrub, it says. If you can see, well, in the gold, it's well, anyway, there it is. And it looks like a bullet lippy, and it is a scrub. So it's a little grainy. Yeah, it's got a little grain to it. So it's very nice. I love a lip scrub. When I take off my makeup, I like to use a lip scrub, and a lot of them are in a pot or something. This is nice because you don't have to worry about getting your fingers into it. So that is very nice, and I'm happy to get that for $5 just to try it. So and like I said, this gently exfoliate condition, it's $21 regular price. And then I got this little $5 bag. And, they've not made these cute little bags with the drawstrings anymore. They have these little seals going on here. This is called Lips Be Honest Duo. And this costs $5. And one is a full-size item, and one is a sample. This is the brand Jasmine Beauty. Cute. Jasmine Beauty. You want to come over, Smudge? It says Lip Lock Lipstick. So that is this is about a third of the regular size. The full size is $20. It's about 40% of the full size. It's $8 of value is what they say. So let's see what this looks like. This looks really pretty. I paid $5 again for both of these things. And how cute is that? I don't think I've ever had anything from Jasmine Beauty. So I wanted to try, it came with the other thing. If lippies are $5, I'm getting them. So it's a neutral, well, yeah. It's hard sometimes in the light to see, because I think that's mauve. That's why I picked it. It looks very neutral to me, but then later when I try it out, it'll probably be mauve-y. So I have so many lippies. I'm not gonna, until I can see it in maybe outside light, I don't want to mess with it because it's awfully cute, and one of y'all might really like it if it's not a shade that I like. Just super duper cute. Love it, love it. So that's valued at $8. Boys, okay. And that's just Blue by himself because Smudge is up here with me. And then this other item is from Honest Beauty, and this is full size. This is Honest Beauty is by Jessica Alba, and this is a lip crayon, demi matte lip crayon. And it is in the color oh, I didn't tell you. The color of this was Stay Cozy. Okay, sorry about that. This one is Marsala. So let's see what this looks like. It's sealed on both ends, which is nice. I want to say, I'm sure I've had something from Honest Beauty before, but I don't really remember it so much. So, their packaging is rather plain. Jessica Alba is the, and that also, see, that looks mauve-y, and it's a crayon. Yeah, let's swatch this one. This is full size. This is pretty. Now, I don't want to put it on where I have the other. The scrub is up here, so let's put it down here and see. Oh, that's beautiful. And that went on like liquid, like water. That is beautiful. That went on so easy, so easy. And I believe it turns up. So, and it has a clear cap. So these two things, $5, and this is valued at $12.99. So that's very reasonable too. So $20.99 is what they valued the Lips Be Honest Duo. Oh, I love that, y'all. Okay. And then lastly, the last thing I got is $5. And this is the Beauty Bio. These are eye masks. So let me open this up. And these are quite expensive. Oops, I just lost a nail. Try to open it. There are, it's depuffing and brightening eye gels. And there are 8 in this package. And, whoops. I know that Cece looked these up. She got these also. And they are valued at $40. So $5 a sheet, $5 for one application. And I have had these before, they're gel. I've gotten them one at a time in Ipsy, maybe the Glam Bag or something. And they're very nice. So there's 8 in here. So I couldn't pass that up for $5 because that's a bargain. $5 a piece, and I got 8 of them for $5. And if you're playing along with the bonuses, I've got this for you today. This is Whisk Bag. This is a very, very adorable cosmetic bag. It has this tab for you to hold, and then you open it like that. Very nice, easy pull. It's cushioned, and it's lined. It's fully lined, and it's got those fabulous lips on it. It's nice, big size. So if you're, playing along with the bonuses, for the Treasure Trove giveaway. If you don't know what that is, and I mention something like that, write it down, because the Treasure Trove is coming up soon. It's coming up, I can't remember, the 8th or the 9th or the 10th or something of February. I forget what I told y'all. So it will be coming up soon, and I am loving that. And that looks just really moisturizing. Love it. Anyway, y'all, that is what I got in my little $5 items from Ipsy. Now, when they have the flash sale and when they have the add-ons, they do have other priced things, but I always go for the cheapy cheaps. They have they used to have $3, now they're $3.50. And then they have $5 items, and then they have $8 items and $9 items now. And they'll have groupings for $20-ish, $18, maybe a single like a Kate Somerville product for $18 that's normally like $50, things like that. So you get some great bargains in there. But I got the lip scrub and the 2 lippies and the eye masks. I got this for $15. Like I said, I had to pay $1.99. So the more you get, the less that $1.99, it'll stretch over those 3 products in my case. Some people get 1 product, some people get 10. So you just pay the $1.99 one time in that batch of things that you buy. So that is my Ipsy flash sale, and thanks for stopping by. And I think that's all I really have to tell y'all. So thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings, y'all. Bye-bye.